What is the secret to score high in IELTS examination? That is vocabulary. If you have a solid vocabulary, I guarantee you'll be able to crack IELTS exam easily and you'll have wonderful score. What happens with most of the students who score poorly in IELTS? They have poor vocabulary. They do not understand the story behind the words. If they do, they'll be able to use every single word effectively and score high in IELTS examination. Why I say this? Because every single word is a story and every single word is a sentence. If you have more words, you'll be able to make more sentences. If you have limited vocabulary, you'll be able to use them in a limited manner. So what you have to do, you have to work on your vocabulary. Okay, do you really understand the vocabulary? What kind of vocabulary do you use to explain your topic? So here we are going to tell. Vocabulary may be a verb, it may be an adjective, or it may be an adverb, noun or pronoun, right? These all things become vocabulary, and if you identify a verb, a noun, a pronoun, adverb or adjective, then surely you'll be able to use them in your speaking effectively, write effectively, and you'll be able to identify the information in written text with ease, right? So if I talk about IELTS reading, students have poor vocabulary, or some students have good vocabulary, but they do not identify what is a verb, what is a noun, pronoun, adverb or adjective, and this confuses them. So what you have to do when you work on your vocabulary, you have to make a list of adverb, adjective, verb, noun or pronoun, so you do not get confused. If you work this way, you will have a clarity before you that how will you use a particular word, right? You cannot use an adverb in the place of a verb, or you cannot use an adjective in the place of verb. So this clarity is going to help you write effectively in IELTS writing task 1 and 2, and when it comes to speaking, you will have a confidence and you'll be able to talk about any kind of topic at ease and explain that topic easily, right? Because your vocabulary is solid and you know what is an adverb, what is an adjective, noun, pronoun or verb, and this will boost your confidence because you have worked on your vocabulary. And if you do not identify what is a verb, noun, adverb or adjective, nothing is going to happen with you, right? So my dear friends, from today you have to work on your vocabulary. If you have already started taking IELTS coaching, ask your teacher to help you with your vocabulary, or if you are thinking to start IELTS coaching, then please go on the Google or YouTube, try to improve your vocabulary, because this particular part is going to help you a lot with your overall IELTS score. I hope that this video has opened up your mind and you are going to work on your vocabulary to get high score. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do it now, because we are going to produce more videos to help you get desired band score in IELTS. Thank you. See you next time.